adventure. We are so excited. First theme park trip of the season. We're going to Alton Towers. We've got our Merlin passes, and they've got a Festival of Thrills. It's called Festival of Thrills, and they've got bands and stages with live music and I don't know what you call them, people dressed up, actors, cast, actors, whatever, wandering around. So yes, we were up super early this morning, so we'd get there just a little bit before. Yeah, we're excited. It's going to be sun all day. Pack the sun cream, because you know if you pack the sun cream you get a good weather day. Packed it and it's already good weather. The weather's changed to be sun all day. Yes, we are literally so excited, aren't we? We've literally been... What did you say? Sun's out, goes down. Sun's out, goes down. We've been looking forward to this and waiting for this for literally weeks. We've been so excited for it. And when we get in, we're going to go straight to the fast track. That's why we're going to get there for the doors open. We're going to treat ourselves to a little fast track today because it's a Saturday. It's probably going to be busy. It's the Easter holidays, bank holiday weekend. So I think we're going to do, if we can, Wicker Man. Fast track Wicker Man, just buy an individual one. If we can't get that, probably Smilers in the second queue. Yeah. Probably, do you think? Everything else isn't too bad. So yes, I will take you with us, show you when we get there. We are in! Yes, we are so excited. I had a little bit of a crazy spur of the moment in the car and bought just 2 fast tracks each. I saw the queues coming in, had a bit of a panic and I was like, treat yourself. So I'll treat us both to a fast track for Wicker Man, which is at 11:30, and Smiler, which is, I think it's at 1. I think I did it at 1. So there's space in between because it's so busy. It's obviously going to be busy, it's bank holiday weekend, so at least we'll get 2 big rides done and we can queue for all the other ones, which is fine. But we're doing something different today. Normally we always go over to Smiler first, don't we? Yeah. Literally every time. So today we're not doing that. We're going to go over to Rita and 13 because they're always the ones we run out of time to go on because we do everything else first. So we're going to go, and a lot of people either go to Wicker Man or Smiler when you first come in. So we're going to go, they always are, aren't they? They're the worst queues. So we're going to go just straight to Rita and 13. They're right next to each other. And get it, yes. And straight in there.
We are loving life.
Melissa's got the sunglasses on. Absolutely buzzing. We also did buy a refillable drink, which was £12. With the Merlin Pass, which seems like a lot, but between 2 of us it's £6 each to have whatever you want.
A billion bottles of this.
Literally, yeah, we fill up all the time, get your money's worth. But between 2 of you, I don't think it's bad at all. So yeah, Rita 13. Let's go, ready for some speed? Nothing like start the day with the fastest ride in the park. Go hard or go home. Woo! Love it. Arms up or arms down?
Arms up.
Arms up, all the time. Wow.
Go hard or go home. We went bloody hard.
I think. For it. I mean, we love roller coasters, but we haven't been on any in like 6 or 7 months. And that was, maybe we went a bit strong for the first ride. Yeah. Couldn't hold our heads up. We had to hold on. At the beginning, because obviously on Rita it goes so fast. It's a good ride though. It felt faster than normal, but my stomach was actually sitting in my throat for the entire time.
I hurt my back, my neck.
Yeah, but I feel like I'm buzzing now.
I feel like my neck's not strong enough for this.
I know, got to train up. But I feel like now we've got a fast track for Wicker Man at 11:30. So we're going to start walking over there now. We've got 20 minutes so we can get photos and videos and all that jazz. Woohoo! We are about to do the best ride, I think is the best ride in this park. Oh, hear the roar.
Wicker Man.
It is the best ride ever. Ever, ever, ever. Honestly, oh my god, they've got crepes. We can have pancakes. When does that have churros? Yeah, absolutely best ride. Best ride in this park, 100%. It's my fave. It's my favourite. Old style wooden roller coaster, and it is fast, isn't it? Considering there's only a lap belt, it is fast. Picture. Ooh. Oh, I've got to go going past. Now come on, continue on. Wicker Man thoughts?
Love it.
So good, isn't it? Literally the best ride. The only thing is though, we asked to sit at the back and he was like, no, number 10. So if you can sit at the back, always sit at the back. It's like the best thrill, isn't it?
You get thrown around more.
Yeah. That's what I think. That's why I think we like it. It's more of a thrill because you've only got a lap belt and you're not going to fall out, but you literally get thrown around. But we're going to go to the toilet and then probably have something to eat.
Yeah.
Have something to eat, and then we got a Smiler fast track at 1 o'clock, so we'll just mooch around, get pictures and things before that. I definitely treat myself to something in the Wicker Man shop as well. I forgot to add that in. Every time I go in there, we say, oh, I'm going to get something, I'm going to get something, because I really like the ride. But I never do, because it's got to like jump out, isn't it? We do get discount. I think you get 20% off, don't you? 20% off with your Merlin Pass. But I've got to really like it to buy it. And then I saw this long sleeve top and I was like, yep, that's right up my alley. So I got that.
Harry Potter one.
It's like, yeah, it's like the Harry Potter one. It's only 20 quid as well. It's only 20 quid. 20 quid isn't bad, is it really? We're now just wandering around because we've got an hour until we've got our Smiler Fast Pass. So we might be able to get on, what's it called, Spinball Whizzer. That's normally 45 minutes, but we'll see how long it is. We can just mooch around, have something to eat and just chill. We've managed to already do 2 rides in an hour and a half, so that's quite good timing really for a bank holiday weekend in the Easter half term. So yeah. So yeah, we're not going on Spinball Whizzer because they've just shut it. So they're having
Someone's stuck on it.
some sort of stuck malfunction going on. So we thought, okay, we'll avoid that for a moment. But we're going to go over to X sector, which is where Oblivion, the Smiler, and that is. The queues actually aren't that bad, are they? I looked on the app. The longest one's Smiler, which is 75, which is always long. You're never going to come on a day when that's quiet. It's always long, but we've got a fast track for that. And then we may as well do Oblivion because it's only half an hour long. So yeah, plan. Feel better. We are coming on to Oblivion. What the flipping heck is going on? I see we're buzzing, right? We've not had any food though, and we've got to eat something because we haven't had any food because I left the pastries at home. God damn it!
Chocolate twist.
Chocolate, yeah. I bought them yesterday. We were so excited to have as breakfast, and I left them on the kitchen side. But we are going to do Oblivion because we've got like an hour until our Smiler fast track. This is only 35 minutes, so we're going to do Oblivion, get that out of the way, and then do Smiler. Wham! Stack. Smiler, thoughts?
I love it.
It was good, really good ride. I did not know that it was 165 seconds long. That's nearly 3 minutes.
I definitely didn't like the second up one. That made me a bit nervous.
Yeah, because it had 2 carts on, you see. We've not ever been on it when there's been 2 carts.
Yeah.
So, and they actually they cross over, and we've never been on it when they cross over. And I was a bit like, we were a bit like, ooh, no, I'm not sure how I feel about that. But really good ride, long, lots of loops. That's the first one we've done with loops today. We've not done another one with loops. But we're going to go get some food now over near the Wicker Man area because there's lots of different stuff. And we usually get food and then stand in a queue and eat it. But the queues have gone down. They were really busy this morning, and then for some reason they're on like 25 minutes, half an hour now. So we might actually just go and sit on the grass and eat it and chill. But
Lovely day, why not?
yeah, sunny, so why not? So
Relax yourself.
relax yourself. We might go and see where there's somewhere to sit near like one of the stages or something when they're doing their performance. Bit of entertainment, isn't it? So yeah, that's the plan. We're going for this chicken tikka wrap for lunch. Taking a risk, Melissa. Taking a risk. No, I don't think chicken tikka's not spicy.
You've got a hair on your lens right there.
Oh yeah. 1 second. It's caught in there. Got it. It's not that spicy. It's not that, well, it shouldn't be spicy. Chicken tikka is not a spicy curry, so I'll be surprised if it's spicy. We've not had this before, but we can't bother to walk all the way back over to get chicken, so here we are. Here we are. Of course, when we start to join, the queue is a mile long. This ain't chicken tikka. Jesus, my mouth's on fire. I think the man mistook my order for mint sauce and put the hottest chilli sauce known to mankind in my chicken tikka wrap, and I swear to God my lips are actually starting to smoke. I actually need a minute. I feel it's slightly panicky. It's so hot. It's so hot. I'm so hungry. It's nice though, but the spice after is like... There's no mint in this. I was meant to have a mint sauce to cool it down because chicken tikka is a spicy dish. No, look, there's chilies. I can see red chilies. There's red chilies, literally red chilies. Actual red chili sauce. And my lips red. They're so hot. My lips are on fire. Oh my God. Well, I'll let you know if I survive. Whew. After that ridiculously spicy wrap, we're now going to head over to Nemesis and Oblivion, that area, because the queues are short. But yeah, there's someone on the Wicker Man stage singing. It's so nice, sunny, chilled music. It's nice. We're going for Nemesis. We like this one. This is a nice one, isn't it? Nice one. We're gonna get. Well, Nemesis was good. However, we did have a little bit stuck on the goddamn ride. We had a bit of drama, literally right at the end. And we stopped, and I did think we're here a long time, and then I saw one of obviously the staff members coming out. I was like, oh no, we're stuck. And he said, if you need anything, just let me know. And I was like, well, if you need anything, let me know. We're going to be a long time. It wasn't actually 10 minutes. Yeah. 10 minutes, but no, it was fine. A good ride though, a bit rough, but it was good. Now we're going on at Galactica, and it's only a 10-minute queue. Bowling. What did you think of Galactica? Relax yourself. Because we broke down on Nemesis, when we were on this one, they obviously tip you forward so you lay on your stomach, and then they were like, no, you need to recheck them, and we were like, oh god. So they have to sit us back up again. But no, it's so good. And if you sit right at the front, I actually was like, when you lean into it like you're gonna fly, that's what it feels like. You know what I mean? If you like lean into it. Really good ride. They used to have a headset on it, but they don't have that anymore. I'm guessing because of COVID.
Thank the Lord.
Yeah, because if you've watched our videos, you know what happened last time. Melissa got the Velcro stuck in her head, and the man was just pulling and pulling and pulling it off.
Pushed it on my head.
But it was like ripping it off, and it was literally ripping her hair. Yeah. Everyone had to stop and wait, and I was trying to like pick the hairs off one by one, but it was literally taking me too long. I had to just rip it off her head. So I should have just let the man rip it off. So we didn't use the headsets after that because they don't really look what they're doing. But they don't have them anymore anyway. But we've done all the big rides, so we're just going to go do 13, and it's only 10:03. So we've got like 3 hours and just go on what we like. Oh, Spinball Wizard as well. We haven't done because it stopped earlier, so we'll go and do that. I do need the toilet. I might get some ice cream. It's been really chill considering it's meant to be a busy day. The queues are really short now, so yeah, it's good. So we've come on Jewel, which is like a little laser shooting ride in like a haunted house. But it's only 10 minutes, and we thought we're here, we're going past it, we may as well go on it because everything has gone really quiet. I don't know why. I think it's really odd for Easter holidays, bank holiday weekend and a Saturday for it to be quiet like it is. It's really bizarre, but it was so busy in the morning, wasn't it? There was people everywhere, so I don't really know what's gone on there, but We're going on a nice little shooting ride because why not? We're here. May as well. He's still got 3 hours to get other stuff done. So we're going for it. We had a little look in the shop.
The shop?
Normally we never look in the shop, do we? Because we're always on the rise to like the last second of the day. But where it's been quiet and chilled, we've gone for a little mooch before all the crowds are in there. And I bought a cute little bracelet with a bumblebee on because I thought it was just really cute. We are going back over to 13 and Rita because we didn't do 13 earlier, and that's the only, like, I suppose, bigger roller coaster kind of ride that we haven't done. Spinball Whizzer hasn't opened again. I assume it isn't going to open for the rest of the day, but I have no idea. I think there's staff down here, so maybe we'll ask. Sometimes they might open, but you never know. So we're going to go do 13. It's a 20-minute queue, which isn't bad. Sometimes we actually like a little bit of a queue because it gives us time to upload onto Instagram and Facebook and edit snippets of little videos for our reels and stuff. So we need like a little 20 minutes.
Gives you time to sort life.
Yeah, because we haven't had any time to sort our lives at all, and have a snack. Because I know I have not eaten enough for how much we've walked. Definitely forgot to vlog that we were even coming into 13, but we've been on 13. Yep. When we came into the queue, it was 40 minutes and everyone was leaving the queue because they said it broken down, but because everyone was leaving, we thought, well, it was going to be 40 minutes anyway, we may as well stand in it.
I think it was only half an hour though.
Oh, probably even 20 minutes.
20 minutes, yeah.
We're having a right old little chat. We was like...
Going deep.
We were talking about future plans. Me trying to actually live on my own in a house, which is hard to do, babies and all of the things, and it went by really quick. But no, good ride. It always makes you jump the bit in the dark when it drops because you never know where it's going to go, but it's a really good ride. I think now, are we doing Rita? See how long it is just while we're here. We're going to do a second go on Rita, if it's going. It's gone a bit quiet. And then just see what other things we can go on, really, because still got a couple of hours, haven't we? Well, that was very short-lived. We didn't get on it, it stopped again, but it stopped with people on it, and obviously some of them are at the top, so they're going to be able to climb out. It's fully stuck. It's just, they've had a bit of a mare with that ride, but actually all of the rides. Nemesis got stuck. What else went down? Galactica's been down. Loads have been down. 13 went down. Loads of the rides have like kept going down. I think we were lucky because the only one really was Nemesis, and we were stuck on there for 10 minutes, but that wasn't that bad really. He did say to us, just let us know if you need anything. I'm thinking, oh my god, we're going to be in here ages, but it wasn't. That's the only one that's really properly affected us. But we are going to leave early purely because, well, we've done everything, haven't we? We've done everything, so we're going to be coming again loads anyway, and we've done everything, so we may as well finish. Next week we're going to Thorpe Park, so yeah, we may as well finish. But it's been good, hasn't it? Been good, really, really good. Bit busy in the morning, but then it's been super quiet all day. We've got on some things twice, so really, really good day. We hope you liked this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Boom.